Today, every Itensity customer gets beta access to our AI assistant. Now you can pull reports, manage leads, members, payments, and customize communication from one conversation. The AI sits across your whole platform: marketing, leads, members, bookings, debit order collections, and reports. Everything you do across multiple screens, you can now ask the AI to do. The Itensity AI has got 4 capabilities. It runs scheduled tasks so they happen without you, pulls information from anywhere on the system, take actions without you filling in a form, design branded content in your gym's colors. The Itensity Assistant works for both owners and staff. For staff, we can do member lookups, send messages, logging payments, pull reports, all from one conversation. And as for owners, this is a game changer. Check your business without logging in, run automations in the background, approve bulk actions from your phone. Now that we're going to go into a live demo, the first thing that we want to do is show you how to manage your AI. On the top right corner, you can click on the AI button, and from here you'll see your weekly usage, the amount of usage you have in a month, and the automated tasks you have available. I can click on manage subscription, and this will give you a little bit more of a detailed on your usage. And then as soon as we are finished with the open beta, we will release the different packages we have for the AI. But stay assured, we will have a free tier as well. Then you can break down your complete usage of your AI and what you do on a monthly and weekly basis. We're going to go into detail on scheduled tasks, but from here you can manage your repetitive automated processes that the AI runs. My conversations. The next step is how to access your assistant. On the left corner, you can click on the AI button and it brings up the AI assistant. From here, I can go to past conversations, or I can start a new conversation, or I can close the AI. And then here I can chat to the AI. Now we're going to start and doing a few of the many tasks you can do with the Itensity Assistant. Let's start by getting a summary of a lead. In my CRM, I'm going to get a full report on June Lawson. So I can open up my AI and I can ask my AI to give me a full summary. As you can see, not only did it give you a history of all the interactions with this lead, but it gives you a status. The lead is warm, things to look out for, things that you should know. So we have not just added the tool, but we've added some intelligence as well when you are using the AI assistant. Next up, let's pull a financial report and see what that looks like. I'm going to ask the AI to give me a breakdown of my finances for the last 6 months. As you can see, the system went through looking at from your collections, what's driving it, notable shifts, and some details regarding your reports. So this is just one of the many financial reports that you can get a better understanding of what's going on in your business. So take action in one sentence. This is going to be key when we launch the app. If you are dealing with customers face to face and you don't have a computer with you, to make easy actions and tasks in front of the member. Let's start this action by adding a lead. As you can see, I've posted the lead with all the details as well as a detailed note. The system went through the whole tool creation. It created the lead, and as you can see in my CRM, there the lead is created. So that is just one of the tasks that you can do. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask this AI to send a payment link to a member. So I've got a member on this test site called Agent Smith, and I'm going to ask it to send a payment link of 500 Rand. I'm going to send a payment link to Ann Sky for arrears payment. So as you can see, the AI now thinks and wants to find out if you want to send it by email or SMS. Let's send it by both. So as you can see, the system has now sent an email as well as an SMS with the payment link, and now that member will be able to. Next up is that we want to create and send a branded email. Ask the AI to list all my leads and to generate for me a nudging email for them to sign up. So as you can see, I've asked it to list my leads, then it listed all my needs. Then I actually just ask it for an email to nudge them to sign up, and then it created for me a full branded email with a nice message with the online join link to it to nudge them to sign up. And through this you can get branded emails. And also keep in mind that for branded emails, you want to go to setup, online join, and you want to set up your online join theme here. So light or dark, you want to make sure that you've got your logos loaded, and then the system will get the information from here. So if you want to add more images to your emails as well, you can go to setup, gem details, and then add images here, and it will take some of these images as well. Next up is logging support tickets. So this is going to change going forward because the AI will assist us in so many ways when it comes to logging support. First and foremost, if you want to go directly into logging a support ticket, you can click on open support ticket on your chat. And if you have any feedback in regards to the AI, we really would appreciate your feedback. So click for me on submit feedback, and then you can complete the form so that our dev team can look at your feedback and upgrade our AI. Or if you are at any stage want to chat to the AI and you get stuck and you want that to log as a support ticket, as you can see, I've got a situation where I'm looking for Adam on a batch and I don't find them on the batch. So now I just want to ask it to log a support ticket, and now it has logged that support ticket. The support ticket is logged, and it gives the support agent a full history of everything that happened in your chat, making it much easier for our team to help and assist you. The next is to really put your business on autopilot, and you'll be able to create automated tasks. To create the scheduled tasks, what I'm going to do is I've asked the AI to create a scheduled task by emailing all my block members and people that's in arrears a payment reminder on a Monday. And as you can see, the task is now scheduled for every Monday at 9 a.m. to send a weekly reminder. And when I go to my AI management tool, I go to schedule tasks. There you can see that there is my tasks. If I want to make any updates to my task, I can just click on my task, and there I can change my prompt, descriptions, the intervals, anything that I want to change, I can change it from this screen. Here are the current skills of what the AI can do. It can manage members, leads, bookings, communication, finances, reports, and setup. Most things you can do across the platform, you can ask the AI to do. We are adding to this list during the beta, based on what you've asked for. If it can't do something today and you need it, tell us about it, and we see if we can build it into the AI. The web is open today. The mobile app launches right after the beta. The app is for owners on the move and staff away from desks. Daily briefings, AI chat, scheduled tasks, controls, approvals, and push notifications. We have designed the mobile app for you as business owners. You need access to your business, but don't need to drown in the details. And this is what the app is designed for, to give you control over your business anytime, any place. The AI is not finished yet. Your feedback shapes what we build next. Number 1, feedback button inside the assistant. If something didn't work, tell us in your own words. Be brutal, we can take it. Number 2, every time the AI can't help, we log the gap and what it couldn't do. That's how we prioritize the roadmap. The more you use it, the more we learn. A few things to know. It's free during the beta phase. Pricing will come later with notice. Usage limits during the beta on conversation and automations is generous, but try to hit them. We want the data. The mobile app launches after the beta. The web is live now. One ask this week. Set up one automation. See what it does for you. Open it, use it, break it. Tell us what's missing.